We're gonna have another staying in the barn day. This is what's going on outside. It's 32 degrees.
It is?
Yeah. We're gonna try and make us some hangers to hang hats on.
Hey, you took my hat.
Yeah. I've got some old tools that aren't really in very good shape. It was just stuff that come in a box of stuff from an auction. I think we're going to use this wrench. We'll drill a couple holes in it where it can mount. We'll mount it to a stud, and then I have some of this 1/4 inch solid rod. I think we'll come out a few inches and then kind of come up at an angle a little bit, and then should be able to just slide several hats just right down on it. That sound like a plan?
Alright.
You gonna try and use the welder? Which one of these you want for yours? That one? Alright. We'll clean it up on the we'll clean on the wire wheel back here. Get all the dirt and crap off of it. Alright, I'll show you a little bit. Well, we're gonna bend some pieces. Alright, we got holes drilled.
Yep.
In case you're wondering, this was not easy to drill holes in, was it?
Took
So
like
now,
20 minutes to drill one hole in.
I know. Now let's get this stuff. This piece is probably long enough.
How do you bend it?
I'm just gonna stick it in the vise and bend it. We'll just figure out how long we want.
Bend it in the hammer and go. I have the hammer. I hope the wasp does not come out when it's in the middle of like this November and it's really cold and all these ones.
Try that and see what happens. Yeah, well, he might. Actually, I think that looks all right.
Where's Crazy Simba?
What do you think?
Hmm?
What do you think?
Hmm?
Put this on the wall. Weld that on.
Probably it would work.
Alright, so I'm going to hold this, and you can just attack it, lay the tip of the gun right there on the thing, and then pull the trigger. Right, I'll shut your lid when you get ready. I'm going to get this held where I want it. Right in there like that, where you can see in here. And you want that wire to be right where the two come together, okay?
It looks green.
Now come in. Get this up, and you want that wire to get right where the two come together. And start back here. Let me get some. Hold on. Start right back here with your wire, and then just slowly come as it starts filling. Just come around and meet this one. Okay. I don't have another helmet to watch you. So. Stuck?
No.
So you're up too high right there. Yeah, you gotta be right where the two come together. Here, I'll shut that. Use both hands. Now listen, you gotta get, come around this way. Now hold the gun this way where you can see in there. You see what I mean? And you can see in and you can see where the wire's gonna go. Clean them up and paint them.
And what color?
Probably black.
And What's that for?
We got it welded on. We're gonna paint the first one. Hold it back some. Is it going on all right? You don't really have to get the back of it because it's going to be against the wall.
Oh.
Like this side.
That side.
Just make sure you're getting it running. Here, let me hold it and you I don't want.
I know you don't want painted.
Yeah, I don't want painted.
Listen, I'm trying not to paint you.
Get it right here on, well, up this side and the top. You got enough on that rod. It's going to be dripping off the end here in a second. Sounds like it's icing now. I'll paint mine black.
And I painted mine blue. I just decided to do mine blue because it matches the truck engine.
Dang it. Look all right?
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah. We got them hanging up here behind the stove, letting the paint dry. It's plenty warm enough right there, and it should dry good. Should dry pretty quick. You think? And then we'll go hang them up and try them out.
I think they will work.
Well, why wouldn't it work?
Oh, let's hope they do.
I made this yesterday, but I didn't record a lot of it because everybody was running in and out and I couldn't hear. Huh?
I said, yeah.
Yeah, you guys was all running in there.
Nobody was asked.
I didn't spend a lot of time. This is basically just wanted to see how it was going to turn out, so I didn't put a whole lot of time into making it as nice as I could. This is just more like a pattern, and I'll perfect it if I decide to make another one, but I think it's kind of neat. So this is just project day. So we made our hat rack things. We ain't put those up yet. We're still waiting on paint dry. I ain't checked them for a little bit. So we made those.
I kind of did.
We made this. And this is all stuff that you could make pretty easily for birthday presents or Christmas presents or anything like that. So what I did is I used this. I found a hole saw that was about the size of my bottle. There's what came out of there. And I have these two square pieces. I need a tape measure.
You tape measure?
So these are about almost 4 3/4, 5 inches. 5 inches this way. I think if I was going to do it again, I'd have just made it 5 inches. But I didn't have a whole lot of wood to work with. So that's how I made that. I drilled through. I made 2 pieces identical to this, and then the bottom one there's a thin piece that I glued across the bottom.
Dad, I found this one. Oh no, it's what?
So if I was gonna make another one, I probably wouldn't nail it all together with that little brad. This is some poplar and red oak. They're just thin scrap pieces that was laying around. And I'm gonna have to make some more, I guess, because I'm out. Because somebody likes to get into my...
What?
Oh, are you somebody? Mm-hmm.
No.
Take all my wood.
What was it?
What was that?
Was that you?
I guess it's lunchtime.
I bet it was like 4 hours ago. I'm thinking about something. Put this up here either. Oh, mostly put this up here. I have so many pieces